The glass curtain wall of the aquarium is not actually made of glass, it is made of a kind of plexiglass, which is acrylic. Not only can it withstand the pressure of the water, but it can also withstand the constant impact of sharks or other fish. Workers used a crane to move the two large molds onto a support frame, bolted them together, and poured the acrylic mixture into the molds. This includes two reinforcements and UV stabilizers, with more acrylic. Then start the heating tube in the wall. The inside of the mold maintains a high temperature and high pressure state, and the propylene will slowly heat up, making it solidify and cool at a constant temperature. This process takes 5 days to complete. While the acrylic sheet is cooling, workers constantly monitor the temperature inside the mold. After the acrylic has cooled, workers cut off a small piece and press it with hydraulic tools until it breaks. If the small piece can withstand a pressure of 7 tons per square centimeter, then it passes the test. At the same time, workers also test its elasticity. Then the worker can start cutting. Because the acrylic shrinks unevenly during the cooling process, workers need to cut them into the specified shape and size. The glass curtain walls of the aquarium are not all straight, so the workers need to make the curved curtain wall next. They place the thick acrylic sheet on the curved mold, and then heat it in a heating furnace for a month, so as to make the acrylic, the board, become soft. After a long baking, the acrylic sheet can be seen to be slightly bent. Then workers cut to size according to the design requirements, and the weight of each cut piece required about 3 people to lift. Next, workers check the clarity of each piece of glass. During this process, another worker needs to constantly move a grid plate. At the same time, another worker carefully check the grid board for distortion. In order to provide an excellent viewing experience, workers need to perform final polishing and thorough cleaning before delivery.